How to sign up for a Chime account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Chime. First thing you have to do is open up any web browser and simply search for Chime and hit enter. As you can see, Chime is a San Francisco-based financial technology company that provides fee-free mobile banking services through two national banks, Stride and the Bancorp Bank. So go ahead and simply open up the first link that you see, chime.com. And here you have an option to log in and sign up at the top right. So if you already have an account, you can click here to simply log into your account. And if you are new, you are going to have to sign up for a new account. So let me just go back here and then click on enter your email, or you could just click on the sign up option and click on enter your email. So here is one more step that you have to complete. Go ahead and verify that you're a human. And once the verification is complete, you'll be taken to the sign up page. And here you are going to have to provide your email address to register. So go ahead and enter your first name and then your last name. Then enter your email. And once you've done that, tap on next. Here you're going to have to provide your date of birth. So I'm just going to enter the date of birth here. So go ahead and enter your date of birth. Once you've done that, tap on next. And here you're going to have to provide your phone number. And once you provide your phone number, you can click on next, and then your verification will be complete and you can easily open up a new account on Chime. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.